We just found this cat. One of the neighbours reported it to us that it's been hit by a car. Both its legs are broken, from what I can see. We're going to take it to the vet, get scans done and see what happens. Doesn't look like it's in a lot of pain at the moment. Looks like it's past the pain stage. But I'm still going to give it a little bit of painkillers. It will stay in our possession until further treatment. Come. 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 Get. Get.
Could it walk? Don't go in the drain.
Get. Oh, get. 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 Get with it. Get. Come.
Do you have cat food?
Ah.
Hayır, hayır.
Ah. Ah. Not you. Not you. Hayır. No. Here. Come. Come. Ah. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Scared.
Get up. Come here. Poor little baby. Get. Get over here. Get. Get. Up. Up. Got it. Come. It seems like both of its back legs are disconnected. It may be like disconnected from its hip. So
I'm just trying to gain its trust.
yeah. Let me see. Yeah, just see. It looks like that place is flat, so it must have. The car must have run over it while it was in this position. Its tail is squashed as well. It'll be safe here. I'm going to take it to the vet. Most likely it will have to go for an operation. Yeah. We'll give it some water as well. So look, there's a cup thing there. Some water. Cat got hit by a car. Look at it, dragging its leg. Aww.
Go next to Baba.
It's really sad. It's really sad to see stuff like this happen. You know, accidents do happen, but you know, if you run over a dog or a cat, you should take responsibility and at least take it to the vet and get it looked at. Yeah, yeah,
Pat her.
yeah. Did you give it water?
I've waters here.
Yeah. Ah. Ah.
Wherever I go, she goes.
She loves you.
Yeah.